Parakeet AI Review. Is this AI tool worth using? If you've come across Parakeet AI at parakeeti.com and are wondering whether it's a legitimate AI interview tool or something to be cautious about, this review will walk you through what the platform offers, key features, and whether it seems reliable before signing up or entering personal information. Parakeet AI positions itself as an AI-powered interview assistant designed to help job seekers answer questions in real time. The platform claims to support video and coding interviews on major platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, HackerRank, and LeetCode, using advanced AI models such as GPT-5, GPT 4.1, and Claude 4.0. When you first explore Parakeet AI, you'll notice features like real-time answers, coding interview assistance, and AI-generated summaries after each interview. Clear dashboards, easy navigation, and simple setup can make the tool appear user-friendly, but a polished interface alone doesn't guarantee effectiveness or reliability. One of the first things to check with any online AI tool is transparency. Legitimate platforms provide clear business contact information, such as a working email or support system, along with detailed privacy policies explaining how your data is handled. If this information is missing, vague, or overly technical without clarity, that's a reason to be cautious. Data privacy and security are also major factors. Parakeet AI emphasizes being invisible on screen shares and maintaining privacy during live sessions. While these features are designed to protect your information, it's important to confirm that any AI tool you use complies with standard security protocols. User reviews and feedback can provide additional insight. Authentic testimonials often discuss usability, accuracy of AI responses, and the value it adds during actual interviews. Overly generic or repeated positive reviews without detailed experiences can make it difficult to assess the tool's effectiveness. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Parakeet AI may be useful for job seekers seeking extra support during interviews. Features like coding assistance, real-time responses, and post-interview summaries can help build confidence and improve performance. On the downside, the cons focus on cost and reliability. Dependence on AI responses means users should still prepare independently and not rely entirely on the tool. Limited or repetitive user reviews, along with advanced privacy claims that are hard to verify, are also points to consider before fully trusting the platform. In summary, while Parakeet AI appears to be a functional and innovative interview assistant, potential users should weigh the cost, verify security measures, and use it as a supplement rather than a replacement for personal preparation. Proceed with caution and consider starting with the free trial to evaluate how well it fits your needs.